Welcome to our YouTube live class. So in this today's session, we're just going to discuss about the topic called as reflection and its laws of reflection. So what are the topics we are going to discuss over here is light, reflection and various types of reflection and then laws of reflection. So first, what is the meaning of the word light? Suppose whenever you are sitting inside a dark room, right, can you able to see the object what is near to us? No, we can't able to see the objects. If you want to see the objects, what is required over then? A light source. So what is the meaning of the word light? Light, it is a form of energy which makes the things visible as well as it gives a sensation of the sight. And then reflection. What is the meaning of the word reflection? That is nothing but called as the bouncing back of light after hitting any reflecting surface. Suppose you are sending a light source towards one object, right? What will happen after hitting the surface? It will start to bounce back. That phenomena we will be calling it as the reflection of light. Next one, what are the various terms which are related to the reflection? The various terms are, the first one is the incident ray, reflected ray, normal line, point of incidence, angle of incidence and then angle of reflection. So what is the meaning of the word incident ray? The ray which is going towards the mirror, that ray is called as the incident ray. And what is the meaning of the word reflected ray? The ray which is coming outwards from the mirror, those rays are called as the reflected ray. And third point is the normal. So from the point of incidence, we want to draw one line perpendicular towards the contact surface and it makes an angle of 90 degrees in order to calculate the angle of incidence as well as the angle of reflection. And what is the fourth one? That is the point of incidence. What is the meaning of the word point of incidence? The point where the incident ray is hitting the mirror. That point will be considered as the point of incidence. Always you want to draw the normal line from the point of incidence. And next term is the angle of incidence. What is that angle of incidence? The angle which has been formed between the incident ray as well as the normal. That angle will be getting over there. That angle is called as the angle of incidence. And next one is the angle of reflection. That means the angle which has been formed between the reflected ray as well as the normal. So this angle will be obtained over here. This angle is called as the angle of reflection. And next one, various types of reflection are there. Based upon the surface, we are going to divide the reflection into two parts. One is the regular reflection and another one is the irregular reflection. Irregular reflection can also be called as diffused or else you can call as scattered reflection. So first, what is the meaning of the word regular reflection? When we are sending a n number of rays towards the mirror, after reflection, if all the reflected rays are parallel to each other, those kinds of reflection are called as the regular reflection. And another one is the irregular. So here also we are sending n number of rays towards the rough surface. After hitting the rough surface, what is happening? All the reflected rays are not parallel to each other. Then those kinds of reflection we will be calling it as the irregular reflection. Regular reflection always it will takes place along the smooth surface, whereas irregular reflection always it will takes place along the rough surface. Next important topic in this one, that is about the laws of reflection. We are having two laws are there. So the first one is the angle of incidence. That means the angle which has been formed between the incident ray and the normal is always equal to the angle formed by the normal line and the reflected. That angle will be calling it as the angle of reflection. Always these two angles will be equal whenever the surface is in a form of smooth surface. That means angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. And what is the second law? It is the incident ray. That is the ray which is going towards the mirror. The reflected ray, the ray which is coming outwards from the mirror, and the normal line, what you are drawing from the point of incidence. All the things are going to lies on the same plane. So what are the two laws of reflection? One is the angle of incidence and angle of reflection is always equal, and second law it is incident ray, reflected ray and normal line all are going to rise on the same plane. So these are the two laws of reflection. Okay, thank you. We'll continue on the next class.